Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. On tonight's menu, quick and spicy shrimp soup. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Heating up some oil in a Dutch oven. Add the onion and saute for a few minutes. Add the garlic and saute for about 30 seconds. Add the carrots and the celery and saute. Add all the peppers and continue to saute. Add the spices and the cilantro and give it a good stir. Add the stock and let it simmer from 10 to 15 minutes. Add the tomatoes and give it a stir and cook for a few minutes. Then add the shrimp, give it a stir and cook for another few minutes. Add the lime juice and stir it in. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Have fun cooking.